All right, so I have chopped up a sweet onion and I've got my pan here ready to go. I'm going to turn on some heat and we're going to put the onion in. All right, now I'm adding in some ground meat. This is actually ground venison, but you can do beef or whatever meat that you want. All right, that looks about done for me. So I am going to drain this and then we'll move on to the next steps. All right, I have placed it in my slow cooker and I'm going to add some beef broth. I've added carrots and peas. Add more beef broth on top of that. All right, now I have added some tomato paste on top. I'm gonna mix this up a little and I'm also going to add my salt, pepper, and garlic. And you can add any seasoning that you would like. And guys, I am going to be honest. I was supposed to add potatoes to this. And guess what? I don't have the potatoes, so I am just improvising and I'm just gonna make it without. I think it will be good regardless. All right, I've got my lid on. I'm going to put this on high for 4 hours. If I had started this earlier, I could have done low for 6 to 8 hours, but high on 4 should be good.